voiced consonant sound, and you can hear at the middle of the word finger, and at the end of the word ring. So the sound is ing. Now repeat after me. Ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing, ring. Ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing, ing. Longer. The sound is ing. Got it? And the sound you are getting at the middle of the word. Longer. Right. Then ing, ing, ing. Singer. What? Not singer. Singer. Ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing, ing. English. At the beginning of the word, right? English. Okay. Ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing, ing. Anger. Ing, ing, ing. At the end of the word. Ing, ing, ing. 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 Nice.